Hi there, welcome back to our channel, Smooth Crypto. Today we're taking a journey into the world of digital money to answer a big question that's been popping up a lot lately. What exactly is cryptocurrency? I'm John and I'm here to break it down for you in simple terms. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the basics. Imagine you have digital coins just like you have money in your bank account. But these coins only exist in the digital world. We call them cryptocurrency. Think of it as virtual money that you can use to buy things or send to your friends, but it's not physical like the bills and coins that you're used to. Now, here's the cool part. Cryptocurrency transactions work in a super safe and secret way. Imagine you have a special code that only you and your friends know. When you want to send them cryptocurrency, your code mixes with their code, and the computer system makes sure the transaction is secure. This special process is called cryptography. So why should you care about cryptocurrency? Well, it's like having a digital piggy bank that you can take with you anywhere in the world. You don't need a bank or anyone else to make it work, and because it's not controlled by a single company or government, it can be a bit like a worldwide club where everyone helps to keep track of things together. But like anything new, there are a few things to keep in mind. Cryptocurrency values can go up and down very quickly, a bit like a roller coaster ride. It's also important to be careful with your special code. If someone gets a hold of it, they can take your digital coins. So, just like you protect your passwords, you need to keep this code safe. What's exciting is that cryptocurrency isn't just about money. It's like a magic computer program that helps you make sure things are fair and square when people are trading or doing business online. Some folks even think it could change the way we buy houses, cars, and lots of other things. And there you have it, a friendly introduction into the world of cryptocurrency. Remember, it's like digital money that uses secret codes to keep things safe and is shared by people all over the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to understand explanations. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay curious and keep exploring new ideas. I'll catch you on the next video.